Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. Crypto trading or stocks or anything, when you start trading as a beginner, you always find it very hard to start. You don't know even where to start from. But in this video, I'm going to show you 10 topics to master to become a profitable trader. I was not a profitable trader until I did these things. The first one is called technical analysis. The second one is fundamental analysis. The third is money management. How are you going to manage your money? In most cases, you have to know that I have this amount on my account and I have lost this one, and now I'm going to use this one. When you always use a lot of money, you don't know how you can manage your amount, you will lose a lot of money. The fourth one is called risk management. How are you going to manage your risks when it comes to trade? Are you going to use limit? Where are you going to use market? All those things you have to master them before you start anything. So there is trading psychology. Trading psychology is mastering your techniques, your own techniques, how you're going to trade. Because not everything that I'm going to give you today that you're going to use it. So you have to use your own psychology so that you can become a profitable trader. The next one is how to use the trading platforms. Yes, we have a lot of trading platforms, but how are you going to use them? All the basics, the advantages and disadvantages of those trading platforms, you have to know them, and you choose what you're going to use. Like me, I always use Binance and Bybit because those are the most important trading platforms that I always use. So next one is how to pick a broker. A broker is always good. A broker can be a person or a company that you're going to use. So make sure that you know exactly what that person or a company does. So the next one is segment analysis. Segment analysis helps us to manage the money and risk and see exactly how are you going to make your segments while trading. You should not put all the money in one basket. So you have to master intermarket analysis. You have to see how the markets are moving in different corners. And the last one is called trade management. How are you going to manage your trades? Those are the main topics that you have to master to become a profitable trader. Hope you have understood me and you're going to learn. So if you want to learn one by one, please subscribe on this very channel and click on the bell icon so that I'm going to give you one by one on every topics that I've given you. I'm going to give you a full video and you understand them. So bye for today. Good luck.